It's the best-selling vehicle in America, making it the best-selling truck in the US. So, is it any surprise a new study concluded the Ford F-150 is wildly popular among both retired and active-duty military personnel? It shouldn't be. The study used the United Services Automobile Association's car buying service to find which vehicles are the most popular, and it's the F-150 pickup truck. The Ford F-150 was the #1 purchase choice across all branches of the U.S. military last year, according to Jimmy Spears, auto analyst for USA. The USA is a financial services group. "We are proud and humbled that those who protect and defend our country choose Ford F-Series," said Todd Eckert, Ford Truck Group marketing manager. F-150's high-strength, military-grade, aluminum alloy body is designed to serve customers who are used to performing in the harshest of environments and who rely on the capability, durability, and functionality delivered consistently by Built Ford Tough. Ford updated the F-150 for 2018 with a host of minor improvements inside and out to make it the best-selling truck for the 36th consecutive year. Changes include increased horsepower across its expansive engine lineup, fuel economy gains, and increases to towing capacity. Every year, Ford improves the F-150. Ford also tweaked exterior and interior styling, adding more technology along with more grille and wheel choices. Americans love having choices. The study doesn't reveal anything too surprising. Americans love trucks, and when you break down the buying habits of such a diverse group of people, overall national car buying trends should be reflective in smaller subsets. With such popularity, the Ford F-150 should continue to be #1 for the foreseeable future.